So viewers, fish is ready. Our fish is ready. Oh, because dry. So viewers, this is our continuation of the panla fish. Okay, so we want to put it inside oven. So if you never watch how we prepare this, how we reach this side, is on my YouTube channel. Okay, so I want to take the tray.
Welcome to your home away from home. At Diarra Service Apartments, we bring you the perfect blend of comfort, luxury, and convenience. Whether you are in town for business, pleasure, or a long-time stay, our fully furnished service apartments offer everything you need, like spacious living area, stylish interior, daily housekeeping, modern kitchens, high-speed Wi-Fi, 24/7 security, steady electricity, and a standby generator. Enjoy hotel-like services with the privacy and warmth of a real home. Our location is at number 1 Ayani Village, Mafoluku, Oshodi, Lagos, Nigeria. Book your stay today and experience the comfort you deserve. For bookings and reservation, contact us on 070-8416-1830 or +121 5626 8270. Diarra Service Apartments. Live better wherever you are.
So it's okay like this. So thank you very much for watching. We are going to allow the fish to dry very well because we want to send it to abroad. Thank you for watching. So viewers, fish is ready. Our fish is ready. Oh, it's dry. So it's ready to ship to abroad now. You see, kakaraka, strong. You can hear the sound of the fish. Can dry, and the head too. So I want to pack it inside this carton. So if you have interest, you can contact our WhatsApp number. So beautiful people, you see the Panla fish. You see how we do it. We oven it. It has dry, so it's ready to ship to abroad. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment. If you have interest in this our Panla fish, dry Panla fish, contact our WhatsApp number. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Thank you.
Welcome to Jerry Service Apartments, a reliable and standard apartment that stand out among its peers. Our services include short and long stay, 24/7 electricity with standby mechanical generator for backup, 24/7 drinkable water, fully equipped kitchen with fire extinguisher, smart televisions, DSTV, free internet service, availability of errand staff 247, housekeeping, serene environment. What are you waiting for? Check us out at Jerry Service Apartment today and you will be glad you did.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni lọ́jọ́kọ́jọ́ kìló ladìẹ wa Jerry Service Apartment láàyè ìfọkànbalẹ̀ tó gbólógbó àwọn arìnrìn-àjò ń forí pamọ́ sí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń bọ̀ wá sórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tẹ́ ẹ wá ń wá ààyè tó jojú ní gbèsè Jerry Service Apartment ibẹ̀ gan ni kẹ́ ẹ máa bọ̀. Wọ́n wà ní number 1 Ajani Village Máfolúkọ Sòdì Lagos State. Ìrìn ìṣẹ́jú méjì péré ní sí Murtala International Airport. Ààbò ẹ̀mí àti dúkìá tó yanrantí wà ń bẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn akọ́ṣẹ́mọṣẹ́ òṣìṣẹ́. Jerry Service Apartment ó dára tán po.
For booking and reservation 070-8416-1830 or +121 5626 8270. WhatsApp only.
Jerry Service Apartment àti gbọ́ nípa yín nìyẹn ọ̀dọ̀ yín là ń bọ̀.